This is what a $1,200 apartment in New York City looks like. Is the bedroom big? Is the bedroom small? Is the bathroom small? Does it have a laundry machine? I'm gonna answer all those questions and a bunch of other questions in this video. So if you're currently looking for an apartment in New York City, or if you're just curious about apartments in New York City, you're gonna enjoy this video. Hi and welcome to day 10 of Mig In NYC. If this is your first time here, this is a series where I'm going to be posting a video every day until the end of the year. And the videos are going to be all about what a life in New York City looks like if you're in your 20s pretty much. So if you like that kind of content, stick around. Maybe you'll like the rest of the series. For today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of my girlfriend's apartment. She lives in Uptown Manhattan and she pays $1,200 a month for rent. I'm going to be asking her some questions as well about the building, the neighborhood, pros, the cons of this apartment and the location. Let's get right into it. Okay, so it's actually 11:40 p.m. right now. Here's the situation. We're in Kelly's apartment and her roommates are currently sleeping and we can be really loud today. We're sitting in the living room right now. It's pretty spacious. It's a girl's apartment, so they obviously did a really good job with decorating and such, so it looks really nice. What's your favorite thing about this living room?
The sunlight that it gets, and it's always just very cozy. I really like the exposed brick.
The brick is really nice. And then not so far from the living room, we have the kitchen. What I love about this kitchen is this counter over here. It makes it really easy to, when you're cooking stuff or preparing meals, you just have this really wide counter to make stuff. On top of that, it really acts like a separation from the living room, which is really nice. Like, for here, you're only in the living room, but then we have the kitchen here, so although it's in the same room, this counter right here separates both rooms, if that makes sense. Probably doesn't, but behind the counter we have the dishwasher, works great, life-changing, and we have a laundry machine and dryer, so which in New York City it's a huge privilege. Not every apartment has one set of these. For example, my apartment doesn't, so every time I need to wash my clothes I need to walk 4 blocks. But yeah, enough of living room, kitchen. Let's see what the rest of the apartment looks like.
Okay, now that we covered the living room, it's time to move on to the bathroom and the hallway. This is my wonderful bathroom. So, as you can see, it's a little tight in here, but it's cozy. It's a cozy bathroom. My favorite part about this bathroom is the art. The shower's pretty spacious. Don't look too hard. We gotta keep it classy in here. And we have some extra space with the mirror she opens up. So yeah, that's the bathroom.
But from here, let's go to the bedroom. This is Kelly's bedroom. It's 1 of 3. This is the space. It's not the biggest bedroom in the apartment. It's pretty good.
Take this. Come on in. So first, I would like to disclaim that I'm actually subletting this room from my sister. So all of this decoration is my sister's and not mine. Any girls watching, I just had to disclaim that. This is my closet. We have a lot of closet space here. As you can see, it's 2 closets, 1 and then 2. Ample space, which is amazing. We have the bed right here, and I feel like I kind of arranged it in the best way, or has as much space as possible. Before, the head of the bed was here, going this way, so you didn't really have a ton of space. Like, this was all the room you had, and then there was like dead space right here, so I kind of opened her up. I made her come alive. Lovely window that overlooks the building next door.
Right now the view sucks, but during the day it's pretty good, the amount of sunlight that comes in. That's another thing about New York, like not every apartment and bedroom is gonna have sunlight coming in, so like having a window that allows that light to come in is huge, especially the morning light.
I've got some heat built in right here, and then I have a portable AC unit that I keep in the room during the summer, and that is obviously not right here right now because it is November. So honestly, like, what you see is what you get with this room. And I have exposed brick.
Again, this is one of the 3 bedrooms. The 2 doors that you guys saw in the living room, they're the other 2 bedrooms. But yeah, I actually really love this apartment. The building itself is decent. It's not the best one, but it's decent. The fact that we're on this is on the 6th floor, so that kind of is annoying sometimes because there's no elevator.
It's quite a bit of stairs. I contemplate my life every single time I walk up them. At the same time, I feel safer higher up. I've never gotten a package stolen, which is a huge thing in New York. I feel like everyone talks about their horror stories with packages and having to send them to different places and all that just to make sure that they don't get stolen. I've never had problems with that, which I see as a blessing.
But yeah, I'm gonna end the video right here because this video can be way too long. It's super long already probably. I'm gonna figure it out when I'm editing. It's been a crazy day with work. I was working on the video that I went up yesterday until like 1 p.m. and I had to leave for work, get there at 3, was there until like 7.
Thank you guys for tuning in to my apartment tour. This was very fun.
Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow on day 11.